On the 27th of September, Earth is going to get its second moon. But is it actually second moon to Earth? The IAU says a big moon like our current one has layers inside it like core, mantle and crust, and has its own gravity. But this new object isn't big enough to be like our main moon. It's just a tiny mini moon that's going to orbit in around Earth's hill sphere within around 3 million kilometers area. But imagine if Earth really had two moons. It sounds fun, but it could change a lot of things here on Earth. Due to this extra moon, we'll get extra moonlight on Earth. With two moons, the night would be much brighter. Some animals like owls, bats, or even some bugs need it to be dark to hunt and sleep. If it's too bright, they might get confused and have trouble finding food or resting. We will get bigger and faster waves. The second moon would pull the oceans more, making really big waves called tides. These bigger waves could flood beaches and cities near the ocean, making it unsafe to live there. The tides would also come in and go out faster. This would make the water hit the land harder, and over time, the beaches could start disappearing. It could also make it harder for sea animals to live in those areas. Earth will experience more often earthquakes and volcanoes. The second moon would pull on the ground, shaking the earth more often. This means there would be more earthquakes, where the ground shakes, and more volcanoes might erupt with hot lava. This new moon will cause longer days. Two moons would make Earth spin slower. This means our days would get longer, and the nights too. People and animals might get tired because their bodies are used to shorter days and nights. But the most horrific disadvantage of having two moons is they'll collide into each other. If the two moons got too close to each other, they might crash into each other. This would cause a huge explosion and throw rocks everywhere, and some will crash on Earth, which would be very dangerous for us. So, in conclusion, having two moons might seem fun, but it would make life on Earth much harder. We're lucky to have just one moon that helps keep everything working well.